Why is intermittent fasting so popular? Obesity is becoming an increasing problem. So, it's no wonder that many people are looking for a better way to lose weight. Traditional diets that restrict calories often fail to work for many people. It's difficult to follow this type of diet in the long term. This often leads to yo-yo dieting, an endless cycle of weight loss and gain. Not only does this often result in mental health issues, it can also lead to even more weight gain overall. It comes as no surprise then that many people have been searching for a diet that can be maintained long term. Intermittent fasting is one such diet. More of a lifestyle change than eating plan, it is different from regular diets. Many followers of intermittent fasting find it easy to follow for extended periods. Even better, it helps them to lose weight effectively. However, this type of eating plan also offers benefits beyond weight loss. Many people believe that it can offer other health and wellness benefits too. Some of those benefits are even said to stretch further. Some say it makes them more productive and focused. As a result, they become more successful in the workplace. There have been recent stories in the media of CEOs who claim their success is all down to intermittent fasting. Yet the benefits don't stop there. There is some evidence to show that intermittent fasting, or IF, helps wellness in other ways too. It has been said to improve blood sugar levels and immunity. It may boost brain function, decrease inflammation, and repair cells in the body too. With all this in mind, it's easy to see why this way of eating is becoming more popular. Here, we'll take a closer look at why intermittent fasting works to promote weight loss. We'll examine the benefits of this lifestyle change, and we'll show you how to get started with this diet protocol.